Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip TA-061. Let's investigate two symptoms. 1. Belt squeal. 2. When the serpentine belt comes off the pulley. We'll specifically speak to the 1996 to 1999 Chrysler Town & Country, Dodge Caravan, and the Plymouth Voyager. And we'll look at separate solutions for those vehicles equipped with either a 3.0 liter engine and those with 3.3 liter or 3.8 liter engines. For the cause of these symptoms, it's been found that driving through deep snow allows the snow to enter the engine compartment and force the serpentine belt off the pulleys. The solution for vehicles equipped with 3.0 liter engines is to install a belt tensioner snow shield. Now that's part number 0500 348 0AA, and a serpentine belt, which is part number 052 81275. Now for those vehicles equipped with a 3.3 or 3.8 liter engine, the solution is to check for proper alignment between the belt and the pulley. If alignment cannot be corrected, install a new engine mounting bracket. Now that's part number 046 12412, and that attaches to the pulley, and reinstall the pulley to the new bracket. Now finally, install a new belt, and that's part number 0486 1322. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter alternator should be a Remy.